The Cosmic Conundrum, Dark Matter's Enigmatic Embrace, 8 o'clock to 16 o'clock. In the grand tapestry of our universe, there exists a peculiar paradox. Despite being invisible, it is this very absence that has led astronomers to posit the existence of a mysterious substance known as dark matter. Picture this. The year is 1930. The renowned Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky was observing the galaxies within the Coma cluster. However, something puzzled him. He noticed that these galaxies were moving faster than they should have been, given the amount of visible matter they contained. In other words, the galaxies seemed to be defying the laws of gravity. Fast forward to 1970, and the Vera Rubin, an American astronomer, was examining the rotation of galaxies. She, too, came across an intriguing observation. Stars at the edge of galaxies appeared to be orbiting at the same speed as those closer to the center, even though they were much farther from the galactic core. This was perplexing because, based on Newtonian physics, stars located farther away from the center of a galaxy should be orbiting more slowly, due to the weaker gravitational pull from the center. This discrepancy between observed reality and Newtonian predictions served as the springboard for the concept of dark matter. It was as if there was an invisible force holding the galaxies together, a force that could only be attributed to an elusive substance that was invisible to the naked eye, yet whose gravitational influence was profoundly real. Now, just picture this. There's this vast, empty darkness out there, something that we can't see, touch, or hear, yet its effects are all around us, keeping the very structure of the universe intact. You might think, why ponder such enigmatic matters? Why delve into the realm of the unseen? Well, here's the fascinating part. By understanding this dark matter, we come to understand ourselves better, our origins, our composition, the very essence of our existence. Part 3. The Invisible Glue, Probing the Depths of Dark Matter, 16 o'clock to 21 o'clock. In our quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we turn to the most powerful weapon in our arsenal, observation. Enter the Webb telescope, a marvel of modern technology, poised to shed light on the invisible. Launched on Christmas Day 2021, this observatory was positioned at Lagrange Point 2, an ideal spot about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth's surface. Here, shielded from the glare of our sun, it embarked on its mission to peer into the depths of space. Its infrared capabilities enable it to see beyond the range of visible light, unveiling things that have been previously hidden from our view. One of its remarkable feats was observing the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. These distant worlds, so faint and far away that they were practically invisible to other telescopes, became visible to the Webb telescope, providing an unprecedented glimpse into the early universe. By studying these galaxies, scientists hope to gain insights into how the structure of the universe evolved over billions of years. Furthermore, the Webb telescope delved into exoplanet research, investigating the atmospheres of exoplanets in search of telltale signs of life. Imagine being able to detect the presence of oxygen or methane in the atmosphere of a distant world, indicative of the potential for life there. The telescope has also been peering into nebulae, the stellar nurseries where stars are born. By observing these nebulae, astronomers can study the process of star formation, shedding light on how our own sun and planetary system came to be. Part 4. The Web of Existence. Pondering our place in the grand scheme, 21 o'clock to 25 minutes and 0 seconds. We are then prompted to reflect upon our existence, our purpose, and our place in the grand scheme of things. How did we, with our insatiable curiosity and drive for exploration, come to be? What is our purpose in this vast, uncaring universe? Are we merely a random occurrence, or are we part of a grand design? What is the secret behind the existence of dark matter, and what does it reveal about our own nature? Could understanding the invisible glue that binds the cosmos together shed light on the invisible threads that connect us to the universe? Perhaps the answers we seek lie not just in the stars above, but also within ourselves. As Carl Sagan famously said, we are a way of the universe understanding itself. We are the universe taking a tour of itself. If that's true, then our journey through the cosmos mirrors our journey of self-discovery. Just as we explore the depths of space, we also explore the depths of our own being. The web of existence connects us all, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. We are a part of this grand tapestry, and our understanding of the universe is intrinsically linked to our understanding of ourselves. So as we continue to probe the mysteries of the cosmos, let us also strive to understand our place within it. Let us be the generation that unravels the secrets of the invisible, not just in the stars above, but in ourselves below. And when we do, who knows what wonders we might discover? Will you embark on this journey with us? Join our community and stay tuned for more. If you have ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the immensity of the universe, I invite you to close your eyes and drift with me on a journey beyond time. Imagine yourself lying on a beach, the fine sand cradling your body. Above you, the cosmos unfolds like a velvety black canvas studded with countless diamonds. The air is filled with the gentle murmur of waves lapping at the shore. It's a moment of perfect peace, a moment of stillness before the universe unfolds its secrets. Open your eyes and prepare to explore the wonders that await. As we begin our journey, let's turn our gaze to the heart of our solar system, the Sun. This magnificent ball of burning plasma has been the cradle of our planet's life for over 4 billion years. Its warmth nurtures life. Its light sustains growth. But did you know that the Sun is just one among billions of stars that illuminate the night sky? Our Sun is a middle-aged star, approximately 4.6 billion years old. It resides in the Milky Way galaxy, just one of many galaxies in the vast expanse of the universe. If you want to understand the true immensity of the universe, let's shift our perspective and take a glimpse at what lies beyond our galactic home. Our solar system, with its 8 planets revolving around the Sun, is just one small part of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is shaped like a flat pancake with a bulging center. Stars, including our Sun, reside in this pancake. Picture yourself traveling at the speed of light. In just 2.6 seconds, you can traverse the entire Milky Way. Within this galaxy, the Sun is relatively ordinary. In terms of mass and temperature, there are billions of stars similar to it. Beyond our galaxy, an unimaginable vista awaits. According to astronomers, there are roughly 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing trillions of stars. The sheer number of stars out there is almost impossible to comprehend. If you tried to count them, it would take you millions of years. The universe is a place where comparisons lose their meaning. To grasp the concept of infinity, imagine walking through an endless corridor. No matter how far you walk, you keep finding more and more stars. It's a never-ending journey. Here, numbers fail us and our minds struggle to wrap around the endless expanse. Yet even in this grand scheme, our Earth stands out. Despite being just a tiny rock in the vast ocean of the universe, Earth is unique because it's home to life. Have you ever marveled at the delicate balance that makes life possible on our planet? The tilt of the Earth on its axis creates seasons, influencing the rhythm of life. The distance between the Earth and the Sun provides the perfect temperature range, allowing water to exist in liquid form. This liquid, essential for life, covers more than 70% of our planet's surface. But our Earth is not static. It's in constant motion, hurtling around the Sun at a speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour. This journey takes 365 days, giving us the measure of a year. At times, the Earth dances closer to the Sun, and at times it moves farther away. However, this celestial waltz has remained unchanged for billions of years, maintaining the stability that life requires. But what if this stability were to be disrupted? What if the very things that make Earth habitable were to change? Consider Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. Its surface is a scorched desert of cracked gray rock, devoid of any life. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, is a hellish landscape with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Mars, the rusty red planet, is frozen solid, offering a glimpse into what Earth could become. On the other hand, Neptune, an ice giant, is so distant that sunlight takes hours to reach it. Its surface is a frigid wasteland. Each planet whispers a tale of the fragility of life and the uniqueness of our Earth. They remind us that the conditions for life are delicately balanced. And let's not forget the silent giants of our solar system, the asteroids and comets. These wandering celestial bodies are remnants from the early formation of the solar system. They hold clues to the origins of life on Earth. Some scientists believe that these cosmic wanderers delivered water and organic compounds to our planet, playing a crucial role in the emergence of life. Now, as our journey continues, let's shift our focus to the heart of life on Earth, the mighty ocean. Covering over 70% of our planet's surface, the ocean is a world of endless wonder. Home to countless species, it's a testament to the diversity and resilience of life. Beneath the waves, coral reefs flourish in vibrant colors. Dolphins glide through the water with grace, and giant whales breach the surface, reminding us of the raw power that nature holds. The ocean is not just a source of life, it's a cradle of history. Its depths are filled with the skeletons of ancient creatures, silently narrating the story of evolution. Every wave carries with it the echoes of eons gone by. As we dive deeper into the ocean's embrace, we encounter a world of the unknown. Scientists estimate that only about 5% of the ocean has been explored by humans. The remaining 95% hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. Who knows what wonders and mysteries lie hidden in the unexplored 95%? Perhaps there are coral reefs more beautiful than anything we've seen, or maybe entire ecosystems thriving in the darkest depths. The ocean is a realm of endless exploration and discovery. Let's now turn our attention to the skies above us, a place where human exploration has only just begun. The final frontier beckons with its promise of the unknown. As we venture into space, we find ourselves dwarfed by the immensity of the cosmos. Galaxies swirl into existence and vanish beyond our planet's protective atmosphere. Earth becomes just one small point of light among countless others. Rockets carrying brave astronauts soar into the darkness, leaving behind the familiar blue skies for the stark beauty of space. With every launch, humanity takes another step toward unraveling the secrets of the universe. The first footprints on the moon stand as a testament to human curiosity and the indomitable spirit of exploration. In the silence of space, astronauts experience profound moments of solitude. Floating in zero gravity, they become weightless, free from the bonds of Earth. They are truly in a state of weightlessness, disconnected from the gravitational pull that keeps us grounded. This experience allows them to see Earth from a new perspective, our tiny planet suspended in the vast expanse of space. It's a view that inspires awe and humility, reminding us of the fragility and uniqueness of our home. In this grand journey through space and time, we've witnessed the magnificence of our universe, the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth, and the boundless wonders that lie beyond our planet. As we conclude our cosmic adventure, let's pause for a moment and reflect on the profound impact that the night sky has had on humanity throughout history. Since the earliest days of human civilization, people have looked up at the night sky with a mixture of wonder and curiosity. Ancient cultures saw the stars as guides, using them for navigation and to track time. They created myths and legends about constellations, weaving tales that explained the patterns and movements of the celestial bodies above. As we delve into this rich tapestry of human history, we discover a legacy of exploration and discovery that has shaped our understanding of the universe. One of the most profound impacts of the night sky is its ability to inspire awe and wonder. The vastness of the cosmos stretches our imagination, humbling us in the face of its grandeur. The realization that our Earth is just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe sparks a sense of curiosity about our place in the cosmos. It drives us to explore, to understand, and to seek answers to the fundamental questions about our existence. Throughout history, the night sky has served as a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and dreamers. The beauty of the cosmos has moved humanity to create some of the most breathtaking works of art, music, and literature. From the poetry of John Keats to the paintings of Vincent van Gogh, the night sky has captured the human imagination, reminding us of the boundless creativity that can be sparked by the wonders of the universe. Furthermore, the study of the night sky has been a catalyst for scientific advancement. As humans began to observe and document the patterns of the celestial bodies, they laid the foundation for astronomy. The invention of telescopes allowed us to peer deeper into space, unveiling the wonders that lie beyond our planet. The quest to understand the workings of the universe has led to groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements that have shaped the course of human history. Today, as we stand on the threshold of a new era of space exploration, the night sky continues to beckon us with its mysteries. Private companies are joining the ranks of space agencies, sending rockets into orbit and venturing to distant destinations like Mars. Dreams of past generations are becoming reality. So the next time you find yourself gazing up at the night sky, remember that you are part of a long and illustrious lineage of explorers, dreamers, and scientists. Let the wonders of the cosmos inspire you, fill you with a sense of awe, and remind you of the endless possibilities that await humanity. The night sky is not just a spectacle to behold, it's a mirror reflecting our deepest desires and aspirations. It's a testament to the enduring human spirit of exploration and discovery. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep dreaming big. For in the grand tapestry of the universe, we are all connected by the same starry sky.